How to manage privacy settings in Google Chat. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up your Google Chat app on your device, or you can also open up any web browser and head over to chat.google.com. If you do not have the Google Chat app on your device, you can get it installed from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened up the application, make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, if you want to manage the settings in your Google Chat, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, you want to tap on the option of Manage Your Google Account. Since Google Chat is the service of Google, you have to manage your privacy settings from the Google account. Now you want to tap on the option of Data and Privacy. Now on Data and Privacy, you can manage all the privacy settings of your Google account. Then you can head over to Security. Now the first step of privacy is to secure your account. For that, you can use two-step authentication or authenticator application. You also have the option of security code, passkeys, and security keys. If you want to enable two-step verification, simply tap on that option. Then from here, tap on Get Started option. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up the two-step verification for your Google account. You can also use security code. With this, you will get a one-time code to verify that it is you. You can also use passkeys or security keys. Make sure that you update your password of Google account frequently. And these are some steps that you can do to manage your privacy settings in Google Chat. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.